These are the check understandings from example 2 on page 364. Find each real number root. The third root of negative 27, right, means which number, when you multiply it together, times itself 3 times, gives you negative 27. Right? And because this is a negative, then we know our answer is going to be a negative. I would just say, let's put this in the calculator to figure it out, because I don't want us to spend too much time with our factoring here. So let's try the third root. Now again, we have a few options for this. If I go to the math menu, there's actually an option specifically for the third root. So we can pull that up. Option 4, put in negative 27, enter, negative 3. So negative 3 times negative 3, right? Negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 is negative 27. Okay, the fourth root of 81. They do the same thing. Calculator time. The fourth root, 4, math, 5, right? And I put in 81. The answer is 3. Okay. Now, it is true that 3 to the fourth equals 81. Just try it out. But it's also true that negative 3 to the fourth equals 81. Okay. In the previous example, because it said find all the real solutions, we had to include 3 and negative 3. But when you're given the radical, then you always assume just the positive answer. That if they give you this, they mean you to use just the positive answer. That's called the principal square root. In this case, it's a fourth root. So this is an issue whenever this number here is an even number. Okay, we don't put both the plus and the minus. We just put the plus. Okay, the fourth root, or the square root of 49 is 7. Right? We don't also say negative 7 because this is assumed to be positive.